Friends, how are you? Hope you are doing great. My dear friends, if you are watching this video, I can say absolutely you are an English learner and you are just trying to speak English, you are just trying to understand English. So, of course, if you consider yourself an English speaker, an English learner, so this video is very good for you, and I request you please keep watching this video till complete so that you may listen something from this video. My dear friends, uh, the most big problem uh, if you face, so that is environment. I mean to say, you don't get proper environment in which you can talk properly, and sometimes you don't get such type of person who speak English and who talk English with you. So this is the bigger problem with all the students, because I uh, I think this is a very common problem, because I have also faced some types of problems in my life, and even I faced this type of problem at present time. My dear friends, many students complain that they don't get environment. So I say you can create such type of environment yourself. Yes, at home you can create such type of environment in which you can improve your English language, your English listening skills. How you are thinking now that how is it possible? So please listen me. Suppose that you are alone at your home and you want to talk in English language. So please keep a mirror in front of you and just try to speak, just try to talk in front of mirror. Yeah, while seeing your image, you start talking, but the main problem is that you are thinking that what you will speak in front of your mirror. So my dear friends, please take any matter, and before standing in front of mirror, take a matter and please revise that matter twice in a day, and then you start speaking in front of mirror, so that while talking you will see yourself, and you will check your judge, you will check your you will check your body language, and you will check your speaking skills, and you will check your sentences. So this will be very beneficial for you, my dear friend. Maybe you are thinking that it will not works properly, but make sure it will works properly, and it will definitely help you in your English skills. So please take this uh, this advice, and believe me, you will improve yourself, my dear friend. Finally, I want to say that in this world nobody is perfect. Even I am a student also. I am a just a learner. I don't say that I am a teacher. I am a learner, and this learning process goes a long distance to a long distance. So my dear friends, please apply these ideas in your life, and just try to speak yourself, just try to learn. And if you get in time, so please just read the book, because reading book pays too much knowledge you. So learn meaning and reading book, this is the very very effective tools in your life if you are an English speaker and if you are an English learner. So my dear friends, please accept this and just start learning. Till then, take care and best of luck.